I smell like bee. I smell like bee. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another nice guys unboxing video. Today we have Play-Doh. What's it called? Play-Doh. Rainbow Starter Pack. Ben has the Teenage Turtle
out of the shadows.
Crane bot.
And
well, it's not a crane bot. It's just a Teenage
Ninja Turtles.
This is the
Razar
TV show.
Razar.
This is the new Out of the Shadows
Razar
movie,
which we wanted to see. But
and there's a bunch of people on the back that I want to tell you guys about.
If you have seen the Out of the Shadows movie,
leave it down in the comments, but don't spoil it because we've never seen it.
Whoever
don't spoil it
out there that have seen the movie. Anyway, so I'll talk
who's
about.
Who's gonna explain first?
Can I talk about mine?
Hold on. It has like this little color mixing thing in the back, which is pretty
cool because
let's
go. Go in the back and show. It's like ice cream, a
cookie, some macaroons. But we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, and white. No black, but this is actually pretty nice. I like all the colors. I don't think, does it come with like a guide? Here, we'll see it on the inside, but I don't know. It comes with like this color mixing thing, I said back there, but you can make a whole bunch of cool stuff, and I actually really like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
So, Boo, you can go ahead and talk about Razar.
Razor?
It's kind of like Razor.
Whatever.
Razar.
Go.
Okay, so there's a bunch of these there's more bad guys on the back, as you can see. So there's Battleshield Leonardo, Battleshield Raphael, Battleshield Donatello, Battleshield Michelangelo, Casey Jones, Mikey Turfly.
I read it in a book. I read him in a book. I think it's Turfly.
April O'Neil, Splinter, Karen Centipede or something, I don't know.
You don't have to read them all, just.
Karai.
I'll just skip this.
Karai Serpent.
You don't have to read all this.
It's not Karen Centipede.
Anyway, Ben, you go ahead and explain yours now.
Okay. Donnie the Wizard.
Stop. You don't have to read them all.
Don't need to read the back.
Okay, well, I just want to tell you about the bad guy. Okay.
Some.
Okay. Shredder.
Show them Razar.
Razar's right there.
Yeah, Razar is like right on the back.
Oh yeah,
He's like a dog.
Bow Wow.
With like
claws
that are. I think that's why he's called Razar, like razor sharp. He looks like a dog.
Bow wow, yippee-o, yippee-yay. Okay, so there's Shredder, Robotic Foot Soldier, and Crane, Stockman Fly, Tiger Claw, Fish Face, Razar, and
always watching.
Mutagen Man, and Slap, Bebop, and Rocksteady. Dog Pound. You're going to the pound, Razar.
Whatever.
Because you're a wolf.
Okay, talk about how, like, his hands.
His hands are all, like, they have these claws on them. And these, like, he has, like, big horns on his head that go back like that. And his fur goes, like, out. And he has, like, his...
He has like a big hand on the boot.
Looks like a
so his big hand, he uses
kind of like Darksiders.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like Darksiders.
Dun dun dun.
I said Darksiders.
I'm making it.
Hey guys, instead of Darksiders, I said Doc Sanders.
Doc Sanders.
Colonel Sanders.
Give me the reading, Colonel Sanders.
No, Colonel Sanders. Give me some
fried chicken. Okay, Ben. Go ahead.
Colonel Sanders.
Chicken. This is Crane. I think he's just like a Crane soldier or
and you tell him about that.
He's like thingy
he has a brain that goes like belly button. So then, so he's like, I have no idea. He's fat.
I'm fat.
He's
not fat.
He looks like he has like 12 fingers. It's just weird. I don't know. Tiny. So he has like this brain right here that goes in his chest. It has, for some reason, has like a band around it. See it?
Yeah.
But and on the back it says, I'll go get some scissors. No. Okay.
Okay.
So there's Leonardo, Donatello, Raphael, Michelangelo, Leonardo in stealth disguise, Michelangelo in pirate costume, Raphael in wingsuit, Casey Jones, Splinter, the Shredder, Foot Soldier, Bebop, Rocksteady, and Crane. What was that little sound? What was that little sound?
Yeah, let's.
Guys, there was a little sound that I heard.
Shh.
Guys, I heard this sound and I was like, was it a fart? Was it this guy? Whatever. We're gonna go that. We're gonna go into the time lapse world.
Yes.
So.
Oh no, we're going into Hi, we are back with our special guest. Who's this? Widow. Say hi.
I probably saw her in the time lapse trying to get my seat.
Oh, that's cool. But
who's
looking at stuff? So
imagine that crawling onto your face.
But I opened the Play-Doh. Boot opened his little thingy, and
oh
my god. And so Ben opened his crane. So Ben, why don't you go ahead and talk about your crane?
So
Crane.
he looks like he's strong. Legs move, everything moves. He's like an action figure. His head, I didn't think it moved, but it did. Brain face. Okay, so I didn't know that these little metal things that are on his, like, his arms. I'm doing that. It's kind of hard to put it into his chest. Like,
Little, but I'm hoping it might kickstart. And my broken heart.
yeah, like, so I think some of the tentacles are going to be sticking out.
Is that cool?
See, look.
Say hi to the camera. Look at the
Tentacles
camera.
are hanging out. Oh, that's gross. I'm going to pull it
Wait.
out. Wait! It's okay.
Okay, dude, talk about what's his face?
Now I'm not afraid. I'm a
Ray Roger? Show me the cool thing that you found out.
So he has one hand right here that you can go like this. You can take that hand off and see that. He has two hands.
Yeah, totally. Say effort.
But she did it for it.
Okay, anyway, so that's cool.
Like stepping on the brain.
Sort of dog thing, but this is all the Play-Doh thing.
Hello. Give me. Ew, why'd you do that? Seriously. Hey, mine. What if you stuffed Play-Doh into his chest?
Probably would never came out.
Dad.
But that's cool. No. Okay. Well, that's today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, well then you're a turd. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.